Hello everyone. So today is Dashera, so it's been a good day for me to have some video tutorials prepared for you. So today we will see the shopping cart that we have developed using Node.js, MongoDB as database and pure vanilla JavaScript. So I hope everyone is doing well. So this is not a tutorial about how we are going to implement it. This is the tutorial about what all features we have in our shopping cart, and I will give you the URL from where you can download the source code and look into the code and play around with it. So enough about the talking, let's get started with the feature that we have developed in our shopping cart. In order to run this shopping cart, I will prepare separate set of videos in which I will guide you step by step if you are not able to run the shopping cart application. So I have already everything configured in my PC or in my Mac laptop. So I will just start my necessary servers in order to do it. So in order to run this application, first of all, you should have the Node.js application installed in your Mac or in your PC. I have already installed, so I don't have to do installation of Node.js. So I can write node version, and if it is returning some version, I think so I spelled it wrong. Yeah. So if we can see that there is a version coming up, so that means that Node.js is installed. So all my code and everything resides in my shopping cart folder. So I will navigate into my shopping cart folder. It is inside my desktop. So when I am into the directory of shopping cart, I will write npm start. But before writing npm start, we need to make sure that we have our database instance running. So in order to do this, so let me just abstract the code of MongoDB. I will show you step by step how we are going to install the MongoDB and Node.js in my future video tutorial. But if you have already installed, then you can go ahead with this tutorial and look into it. So in order to run the database instance, we have to navigate into the MongoDB folder, and we have to run the instance of, I'm sorry, MongoDB. So this is the server that it will start. I'm sorry, it should be inside the bin folder, and then you can run this command. So just wait for some time. It will say that your server is running. So it is starting the server. So our database instance is starting on port 27017, which is default MongoDB port in which the application runs for the database server. So after you have run the MongoDB server, then you can go into your shopping cart folder and write npm start, and then your server will start. Just wait for some time. So you could see that now our server is started. So let me just navigate to the folder, to the application URL. So for this, it is localhost 3000. Okay, so once we are inside this shopping cart application, so in the home screen you can see that there are a list of video games that is not a different video games. So you can distinguish between game 1, game 3, game 4, game 2. So I'm sorry about that, I have no such dummy data right now. So you can see that at the top there is a navigation, and below it you have the price, the description, the title, and the facility to add it to your cart. In the user management, you can see that there is sign up and sign in. Sign up means registration, sign in means login to the existing user. So let's start by adding some video games in our shopping cart. So once I click on add to shopping cart, you can see that there is one item inside the shopping cart. So once I add it again, so there are two items inside my shopping cart. So once I click on this link of shopping cart, you can see that is a shopping, there is a cart detail of what all things you have added to your cart. So at the left, you can see that there is a title, then the price value, and then the quantity. In action, you can reduce by one or you can remove it from your shopping cart. So you can see that it is automatically updated to one and you have only one. So let me just again go back into the home page of the shopping cart and add it again to the shopping cart. Now you can see that I have added two times. So you can see that there is quantity 1 and quantity 1. So now the checkout feature. So once you have added it to the shopping cart, now you can check out, but you are not logged in. That is why it has been redirected to the sign in page. So once I log in into the account, so it remembers at what URL it was previously, and it will directly give you the checkout page. So here you will get the total amount, so you can write all the details. uh, I am using the payment feature of the Stripe. So if you can go into stripe.com, so this is the payment feature that I am using. So I think so it's really, yeah. So if we go into docs of Stripe.js, so there are some dummy datas available. So the card number you can put at 424242, and I'm sorry, you can put inside the credit card number. So your name would be coming here. It could be any name because it's just a uh, dummy data. So you need to make sure that here at the Stripe.js documentation you can find all those details. I know that this is not a quick detail, but this is just demonstrating the feature that we have inside the shopping cart. So you can see that there is a month of 12 and the year is 2017. You can use CVC number as 123. So I have used the same, and once you click on buy now, you could see that, so it validates, and now it says successfully bought the product. Hey, so you have purchased some products from our site. How awesome is that? So we have everything built up. So after since you were not logged in before, you could see that in user management it was sign in and sign out. Now it has become user account and log out. So once you click on the user account, you can see all the details of the orders that you have purchased. So see, recently I have purchased these two, so that is why it's coming like this. So it's your like your my order summary. So now after the shopping cart after the products was purchased, the shopping cart of the shopping of your cart was empty now. That is why it is showing no items in your cart. So this is about it. This is all the features, and you can log out. And you can see that there is now sign up and sign in. Sign in means log into the existing user, and you can sign up if you are a new user. So these all functionalities are available. So if you are interested, just stay tuned with this channel. I will post more videos about it and hope you will enjoy this series. I'm not going to show step by step how code was developed because this would take a lot of time, but however I will do separate tutorials in order to show you that what all things are necessary before while running this application. So the most two important things are the database that is being run of MongoDB and the Node.js server itself. So that's it for today's tutorial. Have a great day and happy Dashera to all the Indians people. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.